Hello guys, welcome back. Dry Bowser from the Mario Galaxy movie. I love the way they just call him Dry Bowser and not like Skeleton, bro. He's dry. Like, this is a dry version, technically. So, let's draw this. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. So, it's kind of complicated, this. There's a lot to it, but I'll try and simplify it as much as I can. So, start with his eyebrows. So we'll do a check mark. Look at his big curvy eyebrow here. And then we'll do the other side. Like that. And these like are bones, right? So they bump the other side too. So they go all the way around. Right, and this one is slightly smaller because his head is turned away. And then this curves around. Like so. And the other one. And there. And he's got that glowing red eye, so it's just like a little, like a white dot, but it's kind of got red around it. And all inside the eye is black, just for when you're coloring. Okay, so like his snout, so he's got like a big snout here. And it comes down to a point even. It's like it's kind of pointy down here. And back up. This goes all the way back around to the eyebrow. And then he's got those nostrils inside here. And then his cheek, I think, is like here. And his jaw, it looks like, kind of sticks out behind that as well. Okay, so we got two teeth just hanging down here. And then his bottom jaw, just another bone. And around this way. So it looks like his mouth is closed, but we'll open it up. And then he's got 3 teeth. There's bottom lip. And that's like all black in there as well. So he's got horns, so like top of his head comes back that way. And then we meet sort of the pieces of metal that hold on the horns. And so like, that's like a piece of, looks like a piece of metal anyway. And then on this side, we got another one. And then like a devil horn just coming up this way. Then another one up here. And here. Another piece of metal, and this is where his sort of fire hair sort of sticks out, so it's just like a big flame. Kind of like that. Put some textures on the horns, just some lines just to show it's kind of bony. And if you want, like, you can, he is kind of like textured the bones themselves. There might be like some little cracks and stuff on them. If you wanted to do that, you can, feel free. Right, and then, so there's a spiky collar here. Just underneath his jaw. And then he's got a big belly, but I think we might need to do his arms, or at least this arm first. So his back. Back is there. And then shoulder bone, like a curve there, and then there's like an entrance into his body, like here there's like a black section that comes around in there. So you could color, I'll color this, it's small, so I'll color it now, it doesn't take too long. You know, it's just like a little shadow section for the inside of his body. And then we have the spiky wristband, okay? So say like curves around. So say like we'll go here for the inside. And then we have spikes on this. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Coming around then in between. And then this curves around his wrist, sort of there. So there's lots of this stuff like on his arms and his bones and all that. So he's got like even little rings on his arm as well. So there's like another ring here. It's like a section of bone. And then another section of bone here. Whereas this is like a wristband as well. So bone. Yeah, this is like spikes. So this is probably the pretty tricky part now. Getting all these curvy bits. And then this curves around here. And so this is like, there's an arm bone in here. Right, so then we get his big fingers, right? So top of his knuckles and then all down here. Right, so spiky, I'll just do the shapes and they're kind of like bumpy, right? For all the bones, spiky on the top. And each of these will have like a curved line coming off them. So like here. Finger, finger, and then big thumb. Like so. And then there's like a bone back here. And then all these have bones on them, right? So like this is like his fingernail first at the end. And then there's all bones on this. See, there's like all sorts of little sort of bony shapes on each of these fingers. Right, so like that. So that's like his claw. And then and so his belly is like here, and it's got like all lines on it. So we'll go that way. That way. There, and I think it ends sort of here. Another one here, and we see his leg in this section, so there's like another black shadow area. In there. And this is like his leg. And then another line. And then his tail. And his tail has like lines for bones and stuff on it as well. So you can see his leg here. We might as well finish it. So you can see like his knee, round sort of thing just on top of his foot. And there's another bone on top. And then spiky toes. Right, and then the foot goes this way. Toe out there, and there's like a toe in the middle. Spiky toe in there. And then the toes all have these round bones on them as well. Sorry now if you can hear my kids outside. Someone's upset. She's 2, so she gets upset easily. Okay, so the other leg, go this way. And then he has another round sort of bone on that. And then the knee. And it comes out onto his foot there. And then the back of his foot has all these bones on it then. And down to 3 spiky toes. So each of these is a spiky claw. And then we have bumps on them there. Okay, and like you can add scratches and cracks and stuff as well if you want all that. So that's hard. That especially difficult. So we'll try his fist hand over this side. Man. So he's got another spiky bracelet on his wrist here. So curve this around. There's an arm there. Right, and then he's got another spiky thing here. Looks like it goes underneath his wrist or something there. Okay, so he's making a fist. So let's try and get this metal bracelet. Couple of spikes here. And then like his knuckles, 3 of them. Like that. And then his fingers. His thumb is up here. His thumb probably covers this finger a little bit, but we can get them in anyway. There's all these like bumpy curve lines on his fingers for the joints where they connect. Right, then I think his thumb is like here, so it comes down. I'll do it over the top of this one, I think. So draw over that one. I'll just erase that a little bit. It would make more sense that the thumb is on top of that nail, you know, instead of that nail being on top. You know, it makes more sense that this nail is on top when you're doing a fist. Okay, so that's his claw hand. Very difficult. Not easy, this. I put some shadows just in around to make this look a bit more dark. And like some cracks and stuff on the bones. Right, so that's his other hand, and then we'll try to get a shell down there. Black shadow on that side, and then there is like a spiky part here. In there. Right. That's pretty much it though. Not easy. There's a lot to him. When I looked at him, I was like, oh, he looks pretty easy, but then I looked at his hands and stuff. Hope it's helpful anyway. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.